So very good night to all of you. Today my topic is unit. Okay. So before I start unit, my topic is unit. Okay. So before start unit, I want to say something that we studied a lot of phenomena. Okay, during our school life, like sun, about star, about the rotation of Earth. Okay, so basically the category wise we divide subject. Let's say to describe the Earth phenomena, we studied geography. Okay, describe Earth phenomena, studied geography. Okay, we studied geography. Simple. And to get how to describe, sorry, why it's happened, like you get some amount of phenomena, like what is the sun rotating. Okay, and what is the, what about the earth, what about sun, what about the weather changes, like things. So these things are coming in the form of the subject which is called geography. And when you will try to say that why it is happening, then physics start. Okay, and how it is happening, then math start. Okay, to describe any physical phenomena, you should be good at mathematics. Okay, so what is physics? Physics is basically, it is a study of nature, study of the nature. I mean, the natural phenomena, sunlight. Okay, sunlight coming from sun. Okay, so the light, if you try to study about the phenomena of light, then definitely it will come the natural phenomena. Okay, so to study the natural phenomena is physics, and how you will learn, it will depend on mathematics. Okay, derivation. And here another thing is, I want to different from these things. Okay, spirituality versus physics. Okay, let me clear these things. This is very important. Okay, so uh, so there are a lot of scientists who said that scientists should be rational. I mean, should have ethicist. Okay, because spirituality cannot derive anything except mathematics. Only mathematics can derive. He said, let example, you said that you are feeling positive vibes. Okay, in any place, any kind of place, you are getting fear, any kind of place. But in front of a physicist or in front of a physics graduate guy, when you will say something in front of him, he said, okay, tell me, give me example, give me the experience. I will derive it. First I will detect it. Okay, first I will study it, and then I will detect it, then I will derive the formula, then I will show you the proof of this. Okay, so let's say if you are thinking about spirituality, so spirituality is another type of things. Okay, so there is two type of subject, like um, astrophysics, and there is a there is another thing is present astrology. So I think that astrology is using daily basisly for those guy who are not enough knowledgeable person. Okay, because of the because if you studied astrophysics, okay, you will forget astrology. You will be one of the uh, highest logical men. Okay, so this is astrophysics and astrology. Okay, so when okay, so astrology can say that this type of things will happen you, but astrophysics is also saying that this things will be happen, okay, by mathematics. Okay, so astrophysics, it is the branch of physics where you can learn astronomical phenomena by using physical properties. Okay, but there is astrology, there is no nothing kind of nothing kind of things. There was a like Baba type, I mean there was a man who said that he knows everything, so by your by your hand, by your luck, by your date of birth, and many more. But in astrophysics there is mathematics. Okay, there is a mathematical proof, there is derivation, there is observation. Okay, so this is the things. And then what is the difference between main difference between physics and spirituality? Physics have logic, use logic. Okay, let's say let me define that. If this is a person, okay, let's say this is a person who on the table. Okay, he jump on the table. First he jump on the table. Few minutes later, definitely the man will come down. Okay, come down on the table. He will definitely he will see himself on the table. Okay, so why this has happened? Because of the gravity. Because of the, only gravity can do such kind of this phenomena. Okay, only gravity can do this such kind of phenomena. Remember this. Okay, and let's say uh, let's say you are coming from any kind of a spiritual background, or uh, any background, like any religious. Okay, you climb up a table, and if you jump, you will never fly. Are you understand what I am saying? That at that moment laws of physics will apply. So to understand laws of physics, you must be at least educated, right? At least educated. So that's the thing. So, okay, so this was the thing. Let's say I'm giving another example, physics, a physical phenomena related. Rocket, have you seen rocket, or you have seen already aeroplane? Okay, so both are flying because of physics. Yeah, you can see because of physics, you can listen because of physics, even you can walk because of physics. Okay, you can climb up tree because of physics, you can swim because of physics. So most of the work you are doing because of the physics. Okay, every things are happening on the earth, among between the earth, in between the earth and above the earth, because of physics. So I can say that I am from physics. Well, okay, so that's the things. The thing is, now come to the point of main topic is unit. Okay, next day I will create a long video, long lecture on unit. So what is unit? So unit means it is the combined form of numerical and united values. ठीक है, ठीक. Okay, so numerical, let's say you are walking 5 kilometer per hour, 5 kilometer per hour. So this is 5, this is numerical, and this is what? This is a unit. Okay, so unit is a such kind of fundamental property to derive you, matlab to understand and measurement physical quantity. So a unit is a such type of physical property to measure the ultimate physical numerical value to define the unit. Okay, so this is a unit. Let's say you went a shop and said that you need 200 rice. Okay, 200 rice. Have you said something like this? uh, I think you never said, because this is the numerical. This 200, 200 what? 200 is numerical. This is numerical value. Okay. You said that 200 grams. Okay, let's say 200 grams. You said that you went on a shop. We went there and said that you need 200 at least 200 grams rice. Okay. Here 200 is what? 200 is numerical value, and grams is what? Gram is unit. So there is 7 fundamental unit. I will told you in next day, but today I want to let me clear that what is unit. Without a unit, physics cannot express itself. Now you can understand the without physics cannot express itself. Okay, physics cannot express itself. Remember that. Without physics cannot. Without unit. So unit is very thing for physical background. Not only for physical background, but also to calculate any kind of things. Unit is must requirement. Okay. So now you can understand the value of unit. So if you want to define yourself, let's say your height is 1.5 meter, or 5 or 6 feet, or 7.5 feet, or 5.6 feet. Okay. So 5 feet 2 inch, or 5 feet 8 inch, or 5 feet 6 inch, or let's say you said that you have weight 60 kg. Okay. So 60 kg means what? Here is given that m into g. Okay. So this is the things. This is your weight. So to define this is numerical value. This is what? 60 is what? This is a numerical. numerical value, and this is the unit. So numerical plus unit, it's defined measurement phenomena, measurement thing. Okay, this defined measurement thing. Clear that what is the unit? Okay, so I'm going to stop here. So take care.